Now it's the time to start a new topic, creating gag visit and synchronizing it with a table. As we can see on the screen, it's a representation of a sales for any car for some companies, and it's a view, and this view represents the gig chart. So it increase interactivity in our reports, and it graphs change if we want to build some another changes. So it's a better way of representation. You can see here uh, for different brands of car, it's showing the values and how much is target, how much it is achieved. It's showing, it will show by brand and even on total. So let's go ahead. This is a new one chart. Till now we are not introduced in Power BI this. So let's get started and move to Power BI. First, what we are going to do here, we will start from a fresh report, and what I'm going to do it, I'm going to save it. I'm going to donut chart, save. Now I will start with a fresh page with options. We will remove it, and we have a blank report. Let's see what's how to create get chart. Now what we will do, we'll go to the get data first. We will go to the text CSV and we will load the data desktop Power BI car sales data. And as we load it in field pane, new data will be there. So we can see this is a simple data. You can download it from the description box of the video and you can view the data how it looks like even before loading it. So as we go here before loading it, we can see here in Power BI the what is the data. Yes, this is a very simple data here by which we'll view our information. So you can see for different brand, for different model or brand, its sales is much this one and target is this one. So we are going back to Power BI when we will see this is a simpler data. Then if we click on to that transform data, we know it will open Power Query Editor where we can change our data in the way we really require for performing the operation. Now we don't require it, so we'll just simply hit OK. So a new data set will be appear in field pane by name car sales data. As we click on this, we can simply say sales and targets both are numeric fields here. So what we will do, we will first go to the data view or table view to see that it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's a similar data. Now go to the report view and go to the visualization pane, and yes, go to the now open gag chart. It's in visualization pane, fourth row, fourth icon. So as we click on it, a placeholder is there to our report. Before we turn to actually populating this chart, let's view some of the cards in of this in visualization. Value, minimum, data, maximum, target value. So it's quite different that we actually used till now. You can remember what we have used in area chart, pie chart, bar chart, donut chart. It's quite different. So so cards are very different. We can see in field pane. Now let's begin by dragging and dropping field here. What we will do, we will drag and drop sales to the values, and then we will drag and drop target to the target value. Then guys, you can see gig chart is already there. So our basic gig chart has been populated. In center of gig chart, we have a figure of 249k because total sales is this dollars. If we look closely, marker has set to 350k because that's the targeted value and initial value is 0 and last one is 498k because we didn't populated any value to minimum and maximum value. So these values have been chosen by Power BI automatically. Now we understood basic working of Gantt chart. Now let's click to format pen and let's begin with target card. By going on target card, we can simply increase or decrease the target. Uh, the view here. So we can increase the text size of total. So notice that tooltip. Now if we even click here and we click here, the tooltip is showing the same information. So we can notice that tooltip, this report is not actually interactive in nature. First close it. See, here is the tooltip same, here is the tooltip. So this is not the interactive report. You can see. We are going to fix that by adding a table control that is in here. You can see there is a table in fifth row, third icon. Tooltip tells us this is a table control card. So I think this is enough for Gantt chart. What we will do now, we will add a table here now. You can see table is here. As you will click on this, it will be added on the visualization. So we have to just set it by dragging and dropping. So where you want to view it, and you can see there is simple thing only, columns are there. So what you need to do only, you need to do only simply drag and drop here to creating a table. First I'm dragging brand, then I'm dragging sales, and then I'm done. So it's first time you have created two. You can see we have successfully created a table in our visualization along with Gantt chart. What you can do, you can rename it. Please rename it as at the chart changing. Please rename it. We can rename it and please download the data we are using from the link of description box. We have two control in the same visualization. This is first time in our report in our this course we are using two control in the same visualization. Now question is, are they two control are wired up? If yes, how we will wired up, and if not, then how we can do interactively use this report. Let's find. Start by clicking on individual row in our table and we can see what will happen. See, if I am going to click this BMW, then you can easily see it's showing sum of sales and sum of target. In the similar fashion, we can go for Ford. You can see sales and target is showing there. So for total, we can see. So we can see sales and target change as we click on the brand, and if we click out any of value, you can see there is a change in Gantt chart. So Power BI is smart enough to link table with Gantt chart. So this is all about from my side. uh, for uh, for the topic creating a gag chart and synchronizing it with a table. It's a really important topic. You can go ahead with for more practice. Thank you for watching.